Hey guys, Tony here. Good afternoon. So I did want to release a video on Tesla just because I did think it was actually going to go down. I thought it was going to bounce off this trend line back here around 666, 664 and basically continue the downtrend. It actually jumped, it actually broke trend and continued to the upside. So if you guys do see my last Tesla video, I do say that if trend is broken, you know, I do see it going back to 713, at least that previous resistance. Tesla right now is looking super bullish, especially, you know, on the weekly, on the daily. I could definitely see it going back up to 765, but it didn't break that 713 level twice, right? So it had a chance to break it today, twice in the upside, and it didn't. But again, most of the momentum right now is on the upside, and the only reason that it kept running is because it actually broke trend right here. It created a perfect trend break right here on July 29th, and it created another candle on the upside on July 30th, which was last Friday. So I thought it was gonna go down. I thought it was gonna hit trend and come back down, but it actually broke the trend, and it basically moonshot up to the upside and went to 709, 713, which is resistance. As of right now, it can definitely either come back down, retest like the 656 level, or shoot up to 765. We need to see if it actually closes on the daily, on the weekly, if it actually closes above that 713 level. And if it does, especially on the weekly, then I think we're going to 765. But because right now we are on we are on resistance, and we haven't broken anything, right now it's up in the air. It can either go down to 655 or keep running to 765. All momentum right now is showing that it's going to continue to the upside. But again, you guys know that I don't like doing anything until confirmation. And actually back here, when I said that Tesla was going down, that was actually my bad, because there was actually no confirmation for me to even say that. I thought we were going back to 566, but there was no trigger, there was no bounce off that trend line, and there was nothing indicating that it was going to go down. So that was actually my bad. I actually thought that it was going to bounce off here, and I said that about a day or two early on the TA. So I thought it was going to bounce and come back down because the momentum was showing basically everything bearish, but it ended up popping to the upside, breaking that trend, and then you know, it kept that run. So Tesla, again, up in the air. It can go to 765 or 655, but it all really depends on momentum. And we actually, you know, it does look like we are creating a perfect sell-off for Tesla, but I think at most we might come back down to like 690, and then after that run back to 713. So I think for right now, if I had to take a guess, I'm pretty bullish on Tesla, but I think not necessarily bullish to 765 unless we actually close above it. But at least trading within this price range, I can definitely see that for the next coming weeks on Tesla. I would not be buying, I personally wouldn't buy puts right now. I actually did buy one put, I think expiring like a month or two from now. So currently getting effed on that because I did buy on that retest of the trend up here, right? So currently getting effed on that put. I'm hoping that within the next week or two, it doesn't break, or, you know, this week, it doesn't break that resistance and it shoots all the way back down, so I can at least sell that put for like break even or something. And right now, basically crossing my fingers that Tesla loses all momentum and it comes back down to like 655. At least that's what I'm hoping for. So I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoy the Tesla TA. And, you know, it just ended up popping to the upside, broke trend. You know, can't really do anything until confirmation. So that was kind of the bad thing. I actually ended up entering a put right here instead of actually waiting for a confirmation or a candle close. And again, that's why you follow strategy. That's why you follow confirmation, because things like this can happen any single day of the week. And even if you think you're like 95% sure that something's gonna happen, you can see some sort of crazy pop like this on Tesla, and you end up basically getting effed because, you know, you didn't wait for confirmation. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day, and I'll see if I can post some more tea a little bit later. Bye, guys.